Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over a potential good swing trade opportunity that might make you anywhere from 20% or above on your investment. So just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research before investing in a stock. This is for entertainment purposes only, in my personal opinion. So if you find value in today's video, please hit the thumbs up button, guys. It really helps grow the channel as we're trying to um, hit our 1,000 subscriber mark, which brings me to my next thing is if you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button if you like our content, because we do videos like this where we show potential good swing trade plays. Also, we do weekly stock pick videos um, on every Sunday that releases at about 5:30, 6 p.m. about the week ahead. And also we cover different stocks in my portfolio and kind of provide updates on those particular stocks. So other than that, guys, let's dive right on into it. So I am on GNUS Brands, ticker symbol GNUS, and this is one of the stocks that was actually limited by Robinhood and TD Ameritrade, where you could only at some point, I think, buy like 5 shares at a time or something. It was really weird. I know for sure Robinhood had limited. I'm not sure if TD Ameritrade did or not. I just know they released an article about this stock being on the list of the limitations that were on Robinhood. So anyway, that could be the reason for the really low volume, after this really big spike here. At one point, this stock was actually trading at $11 and some change. It almost hit 12 bucks back in June of 2020 and then fell back down. But this is a pretty good setup I'm looking at here. I'm actually in this stock now, and I'm hoping to ride it up closer to this 325 level and cash out before it hits that key resistance level. But it did sell off here, good sign. It bounced off of support, and if you look here at the RSI, we are in fair value territory. And if you haven't seen the RSI course that we have on the channel, it should be appearing right here on your screen if you want to take a look at that. And then also on our MACD, we are not there yet, but we're getting close to changing over from a bearish to a bullish pattern, meaning we're about to see an uptick in price. Okay, once we start getting some volume in on this stock, and once this crosses over, we can potentially see it run up maybe back into the twos. I'm thinking maybe 220, 220-ish range before we see another little small pullback and see if we can push back up again. So if you're looking for a good swing play, I think this is a good setup forming right now. If you are a little bit iffy and you want to see, want to make sure you get some confirmation, this candle here, if we come up and we push up and turn to green and we close above that green EMA line, that would be a good confirmation of, hey, I may be able to get in and ride this thing up. So if you want to be a little bit more careful, like I was saying, just watch this tomorrow on the pre-market hours. See what happens. Does that buy signal go away, and do we push down to red, or do we get some more volume and some more buyers in, and we push up to green and we close here? If we do close here with the green candle, then we should be crossing right here into a bullish pattern, and we should be able to run up, hopefully back into the twos, maybe 220, 225 range. But that'll be a good way to make a good 20% on your investment. So to show you how I figure that out, let's say I get 220 minus the current price of 181, and then I divide it by the current price of 181. That'll give me 21 and whatever, and then I times it by 100, so about 21.5%. So if it hits $2.20 and you buy it at 181, you'll make about a 21.5% gain on your money. So anyway, guys, I hope this helped. Again, if you found value in today's video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you enjoy our content, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Also, comment below what you think about this particular stock, if you're familiar with it, if you're not familiar with it, and also if there's any other stocks that you have questions on, you want me to cover and break down the charts for you, go ahead and comment in that section below. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.